Okay, okay. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible, sir.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, everyone. So, welcome to our speaking practice group weekly meeting. So, actually, I would like to explain briefly about speaking practice group. So, the SPG started in July 2022 as a small online group for IELTS students, especially concerned on practice speaking. With support from Leaders English, it grew into a public weekly session for all English learner. Then with Fans Media Networks, SPG also focused on networking and has improved its meeting and add a mentorship program. 2020, wait, I just have to, sorry if I wrong. Wait. 2021. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. So for your information, now we open to the bench tree. So perhaps that the will explain more. Just only to information that we open the bench tree. Those who wants to join us. So I think that before introducing these moderators, I think the essential tonight that I would like to read the housekeeping rules and announcement. This is to focus this a safe and supportive placement for everyone. Like, please remain respectful, courteous, and mindful of others during the session. And then avoid sharing any personal information, contact details, or links to commercial product or potentially unsafe website in the chat. The host reserves the right to remove participant who disturb the session. Keep your microphone muted all the time unless it during the Q&A session, breakout rooms, or when the the host specifically requests otherwise. This session is being recorded. By participation, you consent to the record of your video, names, and comments. And the last is take full advantage of this opportunity for practice English and expand your network. Be proactive and contribute to the growth of this community. Okay, next one is meeting of agenda, which delivered by Ms. Yege as a moderator.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Yuslan. No, well, everyone, I would like to share to you all about our meeting agenda in 7:30 until 7:35 p.m. opening, yeah, and then 7:36 until 7:40 p.m. reading meeting agenda and speaker CV, 7:41 until 8 p.m. speaker sessions, and then Q&A closing statement from speaker. After that, in 8:21 until 8:30 p.m. presenting certificate. Then we are will in the topic of the day on the 8:36 until 8:51 p.m. The first breakout room around 15 minutes, and the second breakout room also 15 minutes, and the last in 9 10 until 9:15 p.m. introducing new participant and choosing next moderator and present and closings. Next, uh, okay, thank you. Next, I would like to introduce you all our great speakers, Mr. Krishna Bayu Anggara, yeah. Education background is aquatic product Technology IPB 55, and then the current work in research at eLabs Brin. Wow, amazing. Then field of interest in hiking and reading, current city now in Salatiga City, and special quotes hadir di sini dan saat ini. Wow, amazing. Okay, hello, Mr. Krishna, are you there?
Hello, I'm here.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we would like to hear your biggest topic today. Hopefully, we can be a great for the next.
Okay.
Okay, time is yours, Mr. Krishna.
Thank you so much, Miss GG ya, Miss G
You're
ya.
welcome. Yes.
I'm here. Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah. Uh, about my CV in before poster, today I'm current work in PT Charan Pokpan Indonesia as supervisor quality control. So in CV, they are incorrect information. Yeah. Okay. I will presentation about interesting topic. In my presentation, we have some games. So I hope all participants can active in this game or choose some game. Okay, right. Yeah. I will share my screen. Ya, wajah saya ini ya. Oke. Ya, share screen. Can you see my screen or not?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, we can.
Okay.
All
This
right.
is in 20 minutes, right?
Yeah, 50.
Yep.
20 minutes. Okay. Yeah. 20 minutes. So, yeah. Okay. In this my presentation, we will discuss about do you know yourself or about types of character. Types of character human. So I will. This will be interesting topic. Yeah. But I will going from. Do you know about cartoon or anime like SpongeBob or Naruto? Right. Now, in this anime or cartoon, we have for example for SpongeBob, we have SpongeBob, Patrick, Gary, Squidward, and uh, Stone Crab, right? Now, every character have specifically uh, characterization. SpongeBob with spontaneous, Squidward with analyze type, and switch about Naruto anime too. We have Naruto as protagonist. With friendly types and Sasuke in logical type. So we will discussion about that. Discussion about type of character. So yeah. Yeah, we will going for this question. Where is your fundamental character? Or to be honest, do you know about yourself? Yeah. So we have some take a game. The name game is choose one. So there are two questions, and you must choose one answer on one side. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. In two question, you okay. I'm sorry. Yeah. Into apa? In into answer, you choose up or bottom. You can write in how to say a column character chat Zoom. Yeah. The first answer is are you types or often just a participant or to be regular member or you are a follower people or you just keep feeling inside you yeah or are you often appear in the public and ask about the performance or lead or enjoy talking and talk a lot and expresses your opinions. In to answer, you choose up or bottom answer. Please write down your answer in column chat. Okay, Mr. Acep is bottom. Okay. Mr. Yuslan or Mr. G, Miss G, or the other,
Bottom.
please choose your answer. Bottom. Okay. Miss G, bottom. Yeah. Okay. Another one, Mr. Dennis. Yuslan is the up. Okay. Yeah. Yuslan, bottom. Okay. Bottom. Yeah. Majority choose the bottom answer. Oh yeah. If you choose up, up answer, you will your character is introvert. If you choose bottom answer, your character type is extrovert. But because in this introvert or extrovert, as generally character, So we have two question. Yeah. On left or right answer, you choose left or right answer. In left, we have discipline characteristic, organized work, independent or in Indonesia mandiri, calculate and goal oriented and logical. Or in the right, choose we have easygoing, enjoy working in a group, simple or practical, avoid hustle, and sociable. Okay. Left. Yeah. Yuslan left. Another, Mr. Acep. In this group, we have Ninda, Miss Ninda, Miss Faranisa, Mr. Azam. Okay. Please choose your. Okay, Mr. Acep left. Miss G is right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We're going to next slide. If you choose, wait. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm sorry. If you choose left answer, your type character is organized and logical, or you often use left brain. Yeah, you often use left brain. But if you choose a right answer, is a type or often how to say lebih banyak social and emotional yeah how to say I expect I'm so confused in I'm explain in English yeah so sorry okay but if you choose right answer you often use right brain so if you okay this is your color this is your color now if you choose up and left answer your color is blue if you choose up and right answer your color is green. If you choose bottom and left, answer is red. And if you choose bottom and right, answer is your color is yellow. Yeah. So please type down in your. Okay, Mr. Acep red. Miss ini siapa nih?
You can just alt.
Okay, this alt ya. Okay, Miss alt green, Yuslan blue. Miss G blue, wow, it's so blue, yeah, it's so blue, yeah, okay. Blue, Ninda blue, Paranisa green. In here not, I'm blue, okay, I'm blue too. In here, oh, I think is if Mr. Dennis join again, I think Mr. Dennis will choose yellow color. Maybe I don't know. Okay, I will going to the next slide. Yeah. Okay. There are four fundamental character based on your choose. Yeah. If you choose green, your character is phlegmatic. If you choose blue, your character is melancholis, red is choleric, and yellow is sanguinis. Generally, this character is have some general type. If you phlegmatis is uh, this character described by Anas Anas ya Anas sifat ya sifat yang jujur. Okay, a melancholis with smart, choleric with trustworthy, and sanguinis is delivering. Okay. Okay, Mr. Dennis, thank you. Okay, we're going to next slide. Okay, this is for phlegmatis character. Phlegmatis or green is Afaf, just Afaf and Alt, Mr. Alt, right? Yeah. This is your character, phlegmatis character. Generally, you have introvert, observer, and pessimist type. Yeah. I don't know your face, but type of phlegmatis is have face like this. Have face like this. Okay. A pitch ya. Pitch person. Okay. Phlegmatis as Spartan, you have, I don't know if this is right or not, but you have quiet person, patient, forgiving and open-minded, but you weak in purpose and easily influenced atau in Indonesia mudah terpengaruh. This is for detail. Phlegmatis character as Spartan, calm, quiet, not talkative, a good listener, easy to negotiate with. But communication tips with this character, you need to be encouraged for to start talking. Yeah, needs to be encouraged to start talking. Because this phlegmatic character is, yeah, how to say, bukan orang yang memulai. Okay. And two tips, take initiative to begin communication, right? Use a personal approach, ask open-minded question, and be patient while waiting for a response. This specifically character types. Next to melancholic character. Majority in this class is nah terus that's true, right? Okay. Phlegmatis, yeah. Okay. If you have some question in the later. Okay, this is character melancholic character. Miss Nabil, Ninda, Adam, Miss G, Yuslan. A majority is melancholic character and in generally introvert, thinker, and pessimist. You are a perfectionist, right? Perfectionist. I said again, perfectionist. Yeah. Okay. Melancholis as analyzer. You have positive traits like logical, analytical, and meticulous. But weakness is doubtful and easily frustrated. That's right. That's right. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
That's very
Yeah.
true. That's very true.
Okay.
Right.
Next to slide. Yeah. As analyzer, analytical, conceptual, critical thinker, careful in speech. Yeah. Because they how to say berpikir terlebih dahulu. Data driven, has many desires. Yeah. Terlalu banyak keinginan. But communication tips with these people is communicates using data and information. And then always highlight the personal benefits. Three, avoid stress and pressure. And the four is this really important is give time and space to think. So give time and space to him or her think. Think about solution. Think about yeah, anything. Okay, this is a melancholic personal. And next is choleric character in this Mr. Acep as extrovert, doer, and optimist. This is character is very strong. Choleric is or as controller. We have persistent. This is here. Decisive, and then clear in purpose or goal oriented. But weakness is impatient and cold heart. Ya, atau ya orangnya dingin. Ya. Ya. I don't know, Mr. Acep is how to say seperlunya or not, but I don't know. But yeah, in this theory, choleric character is have cold heart. Okay, I'm going to that's right. Okay. Next, dominant control in the conversation always makes decision independently or mandiri, firm and forceful, and use aggressive verbal language. A communication tip with this character is don't argue without accurate data. Master the issue and the topic being discussed. Focus on facts, not assumption or perception, but focus on facts. Next, be quick and don't wasting time, and communicate specifically, clearly, and in detail. Yeah, this is choleric character. Really interesting. Okay, the last one is sanguinis character or sanguinis character. We have extrovert, speaker, and optimist. The face is like this, yeah. They have a trendy type. As a promoter, attractive and charismatic, creative and energetic. But weakness is less structured and need encouragement. Atau orang Indonesia is perlu tepukan atau perlu disanjung seperti itu. Okay. This is specifically sanguinis have talkative and enjoy speaking, lively or noisy, make to dramatize situation, and need praise and recognition. Communication tip with this character is position yourself as a good listener, because this character has too much speak. Yeah. Next, stay calm when interacting, build emotional closeness, listen and keep listening. If conflict arise, let it be. For right now. So okay, this is types of phase of character. This is spec or not? Yeah, I don't know your character, but generally this character have this phase. Yeah, specifically in the eyes, melancholic with this eyes. Yeah, Polaris with tight eyes. Yeah. You can use the face when photo session. That's right. That's right. So you can. Okay. Next slide. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Green is phlegmatic. Yeah. We have spiritual question. So, meaning of this slide is if you have character melancholy, you have intellectual question, or in Indonesia is kecerdasan intelektual yang tinggi. So if you sanguinis people, you have emotional question. Your emotional question is high. Yeah, this is because in human or we how to say a human built by four unsur. The first unsur is heart, two unsur is mind, three unsur is physical, and four unsur is emotional. So if you phlegmatic people, you generally or your basically type of character is speech, or you will how to say yeah, okay. You will. I think you all understand what I say. So yeah, if phlegmatis, you have SQ. Your SQ is right and letter. Okay. We going to next session. Back to anime or cartoon chart. Let's going to SpongeBob. Yeah, this is analyze of everyone in SpongeBob character. Yes, Squidward is melancholy. Patrick is phlegmatic. SpongeBob is sanguinis, and Tuan Crab is choleric. Yeah. For Naruto anime, I think Sasuke is melancholy, Naruto is sanguine, and then Sakura is choleric, Choji is phlegmatis, right? Kiba is choleris. Shikamaru is melancholis. Yeah. Neji is choleris. Yeah, and Kakashi is, I don't know, Kakashi. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But okay. Next to types of bird then can represent a person character. Yeah. If you have phlegmatis, yeah, you represent by merpati itu apa ya bahasa Inggrisnya? Yeah, by like this. If you melancholis, yeah, by owl, yeah, and choleris by eagle, and how to say sanguines by merak bird. Yeah. Okay, next. Okay, next for type of learning process. For pragmatic people, you have or basically you have a visual. Sorry, you as visual learner. For melancholis, you have auditory learner. Choleris, kinesthetic learner, and sanguines is motivation learner. Yeah. So yeah, this is okay. Yeah. Okay. For next is how to solve problem or how to behave. How to behave or Indonesia in bagaimana cara bersikap. For pragmatic people, if they have some problem, the solution is just introspection or self-reflection or self-evaluation on in Islam is muhasabah. And in for melancholic people is if they have problem, they calculate and thinking about the solution. They have so too much thinking. Yeah. For choleric is take an action, and for sanguine is self socialization, or meeting with people. Because the sanguine type, if they have some problem, yeah, they must meet with other people because sanguine is like that. Okay, for the last slide is like this. Character process in for character is all aduh ini susah nih ngejelasinnya. Uh, okay, this is just summary. This is summary. If you pragmatist people, you generally using right brain. You have spiritual question high. You basically use your heart or your apa ya? Your advantage is from heart, yeah. And yeah, generally you are honest person, and yeah, melancholy is like this. How to say, choleric is like this, and sanguine is like this. Yeah. Okay. I think that's enough for me. I'm sorry. My English, my English speaking is not fluent. So if you have some question or just interesting about this discussion, you can feel free ask to me. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Amazing presentation, Mr. Krishna. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that I didn't need to go again to psycholog knowing about myself, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I think no need to summary for me. I just want to make sure everyone who wants to give some questions to our speaker, it's feel free for you all.
Yeah.
And before this, I would like to ask to you, Mr. Krishna. Uh, when I was child, I feel like I'm so sanguineous, but
Okay.
I don't know when I was, and then I be adult. I think what happened with me, why I can move to melancholy. What do you think about that?
Okay, this is so interesting. I will going to reshare screen because this is about my last slide, my last slide. Nah, uh, yeah, this is character process. You can see my cursor tidak? You can see my cursor or not?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, you can see my cursor. All in this four unsur human unsur, we must going from heart, head, hand or physical and here or yeah. Okay. So if so this character is sorry this character can be changed how to say berurutan ya. So if you in child you think you have sanguinis
Yes.
and if if dewasa sorry maaf ya
Doubt.
that yeah okay this is the mindset is like you from sanguinis to phlegmatis to melancholis because the how to say the process is like that. The process is like that. Yeah. So if before you have you just melancholic type right now you melancholic type, right? Yeah. Before you melancholic type, you was as phlegmatic type, I think.
Oh.
Yeah. Because how to say yeah, the process is like that. The process is like that. So I think yeah, for example, it's mine. Yeah. I'm from melancholic. Yeah, I'm from melancholic, but because my current work is how to say apa ya? Seiring berjalannya waktu kan kita tuh naik jabatan. Nah,
Oh, wait.
karena itu dari melankolis itu diarahkan untuk ke koleris karena apa ya? Because the responsibility is bingung kan? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I think you understand what I
Yeah,
mean.
yeah. Because of
Sorry.
Yeah,
pressure,
yeah, yeah.
maybe, yeah.
Yeah, betul. Yeah, okay, like this. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
okay. Just like that, Mr. G.
Hmm?
Yeah, okay. I
All
think
right.
that's enough.
Yeah. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Mr. Krishna. And anyone else? Mr. Asep, Mr. Islan,
Yeah,
ada
I just want
apa?
to ask, but you already answered.
What your question, Mr. Yuslan?
Actually, I would like to want to know that you asked for us, all of us, that what your type, but we don't know what's your type. So
Yeah.
I just
Oh
want
yeah,
to know.
I'm very sorry about this. I'm melancholic. I'm melancholic. Yeah, I'm melancholic.
Okay. I see.
Okay, yeah, melancholic. Okay.
Perhaps others?
Okay, others.
Or I just want to add more. So, such as like when we are melancholic or others types, is it when we want to apply a new job or others jobs that needs sometimes like others melancholic, such as like could you show the type of characters? I don't know how to say it. They
Hmm.
share the PPT.
Okay.
I just
I
want to
will. Yeah. Wait,
yeah,
wait,
yeah.
wait. Okay, this my.
Uh, ah, just like when for an example, when my best type is melancholic, and unfortunately, when I want to into the digital creative, that which have to like emotional, that creative, and others perhaps like more prefer to sanguinis,
Okay.
sanguinis. So we can change it or we just only minimalizer gitu.
Okay, I see, I see. This question is okay. In my opinion, aduh, gimana ya? In my opinion, the best way to for this situation is not change not change to harus pakai bahasa Indonesia. Bingung. Ya.
Okay.
I think you just focus on your potentially character advantage because your potentially character advantage is not from design. I think yeah, you can learn about you can learn to design or to creative thinking, and yeah, I think everyone is can, but in my opinion, you cannot being the top or the top of design thinking because your type is from melancholic, but this type is can be changed with that process from melancholic to choleric and to sanguinis or melancholic to sanguinis. It can, but it need more time. In the research, we need 3 months to literally change for melancholic to choleric or to sanguinis. But you need just 21 a day to how to say to apa ya to make that you are as design or ya tadi creative designer. I think that's for me. I hope you understand.
All right, thank you so much.
Yeah.
How about others?
Okay, another one. Afaf, Altamis, maybe Nabil. I think it's amazing, yeah. It's not only just we learn English, but also impactful with our characteristic, yeah, our personality, yeah, and that it's also impactful also to our jobs,
Oh,
especially.
ada
Okay,
Mr.
Mr. Sugianto, please.
Please, Mister.
Okay. Bro Krishna, thank you very much for your presentation. My question is, if I have a chance to join an assessment, become a leader, become a top of maybe like in the red color. So as I know, I am in a blue color. So in that assessment, is it okay to feel the, I mean, not honest, like because I know the red character is blah 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 blah, so not from my heart. I mean, not honest to fill in the form. How to deal, or what is your comment about that? Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. I hope I don't miss your question. I hope I don't miss your question. But if you doing some assessment, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. First you notice knowledge. So in a while you doing some assessment, you just how to say menyesuaikan. Just menyesuaikan. Because your goal is choleric character like that, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Nah, for psychology, I'm sorry, for recruitment process, if this in recruitment process like LPDP, like submit how to say submit work, yeah. They two method for know your character and know your potentially. First from assessment, Yeah,
Okay.
you choose the apa? You fill the question with answer.
Mhm.
And two, with how to say, interview. With an
Dialog.
yeah, with interview. Yeah, with interview, the psychologist um apa ya? The psychologist will know your character really because because they how to say because they know your behavior really. Yeah. Um just like me, I know I'm not from psychology magister or psychology how to say sarjana, no. But in for me, we'll have some ya buat saya yang sering nge-interviewin orang, will know your how to say really character. Yeah. Yeah. I know
Okay.
your yeah. Okay. Like this. Thank
So
you.
it means whatever you fill in the form, if you have a chance to interview, the interviewer can know the real
Yeah.
character of you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No character. So the best solution is to be honest with your
Mhm.
character because every character has advantage and
Yes.
disadvantage. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. We must focus to our advantage.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, amazing. Then, anyone asking to our speaker? If Mr. Ruslan still have the question, it's feel free. Yeah, yeah.
Mr.
I think
Yusuf.
it's very, very amazing for me also. Um, okay. Can I have some no some just one question again, Mr.
Okay.
Krishna?
Okay.
Uh, what do you think if we have in one circle? Yeah.
Okay.
But in that circle is not suitable with our characteristics.
Okay.
For example, for me, like if I have a pragmatist, it's not easy, right? How to
Yeah.
join with like
Sanguinis people.
sanguinis or
Okay.
everyday
Okay.
character. Do you have suggestion for it? Maybe we have our friend in here, pragmatist
Ah.
character in here.
Okay. For pragmatic character in this circle, hmm, harus pakai English ya.
It's okay.
Like, yeah, for pragmatic people, I think the best solution for this problem is um, to be honest to your circle. Yeah. Melancholis, cholerics, and sanguinis. They not how to say. I'm sorry. Ya. Mereka bukan pengamat dan mereka bukan yang mengerti karaktermu sebetulnya. Jadi uh, make they understand I'm pragmatis.
Oh,
Yeah, make they understand I'm pragmatis. Nah, because if you do that, the other with how to say understand to you. Yeah. Yeah. But
yeah.
yeah.
But in Indonesia, they always said don't be baper like that, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Kan?
Yeah.
Baper cut it's like that. Then I think is the
Yeah.
important or very sensitive character is pragmatic, right?
Yeah.
For
Pragmatis.
all, yeah.
Pragmatis people. Um, yeah. 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 Yeah, buffer sih. But the best, yeah, okay. The best solution is if you can do my suggest like that, you
Mhm.
can how to say you can search any circle with phlegmatic people
Mhm.
or with sanguinis people because sanguinis people it can encouragement you
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
So the best circle for phlegmatic people is with phlegmatic people again, or with sanguinis people. Or
Yes.
if you have okay, if you have if you a woman and I'm sorry, or you in your circle in have melancholic people that you can encourage the melancholic people by you. So the best circle is like that. Don't how to say interaction with choleric people because
Yeah.
yeah, the choleric people can make you baper. Yeah, right. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's
Okay.
right.
Yeah. I think this knowledge about for character it used with uh you can use this how to say knowledge for choose your uh pasangan ya, choose your
Oh,
marriage. Yeah,
yeah,
if
yeah.
you have yes Mr. Yuslan, this can Mr. Yuslan. Yeah, if you okay. I'm just melancholic people. I'm just melancholic people who can drive or encouragement by phlegmatic people. So melancholic people encouraged by phlegmatic people to arise melancholic potential. Yeah, this can Mr. Yuslan, this can. To me, yeah. And yeah, I have I'm sorry, I'm just storytelling. I have my best friend in campus. Uh, he asked to me about how to say calon pasangannya. Yeah, I'm used this knowledge to him, and yeah, him understand, and ya dia merasa setuju dan pada akhirnya nikah juga gitu. So this knowledge is really interesting to choose your circle, to choose your best friend, to choose your
Partner. Life
partner.
partner. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, like that.
All right.
Oh yeah, okay.
Wonderful.
I'm sorry. For example, example is like Habibi dan Ainun. Habibi and Ainun. Ainun in Phlegmatis sanguinis, and Habibi in Phlegmatis melancholis. Yeah, they have some warm family, right? Yeah, they the best. They're the best partner. Yeah, just like that. For example.
It's better we have a different character than same character, right?
Yeah. I think in my opinion is the better is different character, but change or uh, the
Same.
the the woman as supporter, and the man is the man is main role, or
Yeah,
the main
yeah.
character, like
Woman is supporter, yeah.
okay. Oh yeah. Uh, in my opinion, it's better. It's
Yeah,
better
right, right.
partner. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
Mr. Gay. Yeah,
It's good. Yeah, I agree. I agree with that.
agree. Mr. Yusuf agree. You just
Yeah, how about Mr.
like that.
Ruslan? I think Mr. Ruslan is happy yeah tonight, yeah. Mr. Ruslan, Mr. Ruslan.
Mr.
And
Yusuf.
hello, how about another? I think it's okay. We would like to asking or
I still
discussing.
have one
Oh
question.
yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
Mr. Asep.
Yeah,
Oh,
okay. First of all, thank you so much for bringing this such interesting topic and also such engaging presentation. I think I got involved very well during your session, and yeah, this also reminded me with the previous lessons that I took when I was in college, and also when I was um, in mentoring program with my coach back then. So I realized that there was a kind of transformation in my personality. So it was recognized earlier as phlegmatic when I was in the second year of my college bachelor degree. And then after reaching the final year of my study, I got a test and the result was choleric, between melancholic and choleric.
Okay,
But
between
then soon after that, I realized that democratic leadership style is part of the strategy how to be more open and welcomes other feedback. So then I realized that choleric um, sometimes helpful, but sometimes to me is also tend to be autocratic in terms of leading team, for instance. So I realized that I I should be sanguine in some instances. So probably everybody has element of four, but
Okay.
we probably have dominance in one, maybe quite the same into characteristics. But yeah, mostly I do believe everybody has elements of four, but probably just only one characters that we have dominant elements in it. So so my question for you, do you think that our life experience can influence the characteristic of us in terms of transformations, in my case, from phlegmatic to choleric, some melancholic sometimes, and then, but I admit that sanguine is the small part of my characters, so probably hard to be that. But I realize that being humorous or have a good sense of humor is also essential in leading people. But yeah, probably it's hard for choleric people to be like that. But when we have choleric, then try to be melancholic, probably um, easier compared to choleric to sanguine or choleric to phlegmatic. So it's kind of my own observation and see if other also experiencing the same, what we call transformation of our characteristics.
Okay.
So yeah, that's my questions, and probably you can confirm as well based on your life experience, or probably others here also want to confirm if you have a kind of transformation in your life.
Okay. This is a really interesting question, yeah. But if I can explain in Indonesia, I'm just okay. I'm just answer your question step by step, yeah. And I will going to session again. The first question is here from choleric to melancholic, choleric to sanguine, or choleric to phlegmatic? Okay. The answer is choleric to sanguine. The hardest process is choleric to phlegmatic because we have two process to phlegmatic to from choleric, sanguine, or phlegmatic. Because choleric is lawan dari phlegmatic and melancholic lawan dari sanguine. Yeah, the character is yeah, just like that. So if you will change to from choleric to phlegmatic, you have two steps. Yeah. Uh, from choleric to melancholic is easier too because you must have choleric type before. Okay. The next question is are we have four character someday or in my life how to say yeah someday we have for character or not. The answer is yes because and the answer is how to say majority by research you must have four character stably or stable in 40 years old. In 40 years old, because this paper from research by research to in Muslim, research to Rasulullah, research to Nabi Musa, research to other. In 40 years old, you have majority people can stabilize and have for how to say and for have for this character because human body or human itself is tersusun oleh four unsur, ya, heart, head, physical, and here or how to say nerves, yeah. So someday we all have four character. I think just like that, Mr. Asep. I'm sorry, I can explain better.
Okay. I got your points that it's been confirmed that everybody has four characters basically, and it is also reasonable that we will have a kind of transformation in terms of our characters. So it's dynamic, simply, and then in the certain age, which you called 40 years old, that's probably when we have a kind of balance between four characters, or we can easily manage which ones that we have to switch and which ones that we have to apply depending on the environments or the partners or the speaking partner, or who are we dealing with. So that's kind of interesting fact as well. So it's also very related with the maturity of people. So probably during childhood, adulthood, probably different life stage probably might experience different characters changing. So yeah, it's good to know that not only for ourselves, I guess, also for our family members, or even if we have a team, and see how they also probably transform if we give a challenge, for instance. But I realize I still remember that the real character, I mean, people normally have at least two characters. The first one is during comfort situations, right? During comfort situations or like normal. And the second one's during in challenging situations. Probably they change. They could change. And the third one, I would say during in a situation where they really happy, probably they got a lot of things that they expected before, and they probably forget the things that they should really comply with. So it's also good to know different situation may shape different characters of people. And in a team, I guess it's also good to have a kind of a small test to see if we give a challenge, how they change, whether it is beneficial changing, which is useful, helpful for us, or even they probably give a kind of disadvantages that can worsen the situations, or maybe creating a lose, like a loss in a business, for instance. So even during the happy situations, or during where seems not we got a lot of things we expected, and then in that moment we probably change also the characters of ourselves as well. And as a leader, for instance, or as a team leader, for instance, I think we also can see if this beneficial or even this risky. So knowing all these type of characters of people in different situations also important in organizations or in a team of certain work or in a project, for instance, either in academic or in business or even in other different fields. So that's what I want to add, and I think probably you can also bring further later on in other sessions, just a kind of development of this topic. And I think it's always good to have this because this is speaking practice will also have concern on development of personality or people, not only just in English. So your input should be great for our community. So keep it up, and we are waiting for others new development of your topic. Thank you.
Oke, terima kasih Mr. Acep ya. Ya. Oke, ambil subtraction. Ya.
All right. Okay. Any question? Enough, yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much, Mr. Krishna Bayu Anggara. It's wonderful, insightful also, and can make us to knowing more about ourselves. Yeah. Hopefully we can be great for the next sessions. Yeah. So I will give this section to Brother Yuslan. Brother Yuslan. Let me
All
see.
right. Thank you so much to Miss Gege to lead this
Okay.
as a moderator. So sorry, I just have to flinch because preparing my debating competition. So sorry. Okay, so the next one is we would like to thank you so much to Mr. Krishna to deliver the wonderful presentation. Perhaps that Mr. Altamis, could you share that certificate?
Oh yeah,
Finish.
wait a sec, sir.
And don't forget to highlight Mr. Asep first, and then,
Yeah, okay.
as usual.
Yeah. Okay.
Ah,
Okay.
Actually,
Technical procedure.
by the way, I just want to, um, as a mentee, we don't got the T-shirt.
Not yet.
Oh my God.
So I think Miss Gege got one already. But
Oh my
later
God.
on,
Yeah,
once
yeah,
your
I
duration
have.
finish, I think you can expect that. So there is the time when you will receive it.
Wait for the time.
Okay, wait a sec.
Yeah.
Mr. Acep. Okay.
Okay, Miss Gege would like to take it. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Mr. Krishna Bayu Anggara, for being speaker tonight. Really engaging presentation and also very meaningful topic. And everybody, I believe, got benefit from your presentation. Again, thank you, and please come again and share again the development of your topic. So we are very keen to know that further in other session. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Acep and the others. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, take
Terus
picture.
di take picture.
Okay.
Okay. Already.
Okay.
Take a picture.
For Miss Gege.
I think, all right, Miss Gege now.
Okay.
Yes.
Here's what and this.
As usual, Miss Gege, thank you for such a great contribution tonight. I believe your role also become a reference for others to be moderator in other session. Thank you so much.
Welcome, Mr. Asep.
And done? All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you all.
Okay.
Welcome.
Okay, I think that we just want to photo session. So perhaps that everyone can open your camera. So perhaps you can act you Just feel free, feel free. Please open your camera.
Yuslan Sanguins.
Yeah, yeah. Why
No, after
why
this,
melancholies?
after this, I need more time to.
Yuslan Sanguins.
How dare me? Wait,
Okay.
Yuslan Sanguin
Alright.
character.
wait.
Hmm.
Perhaps Mr. Nabil or others, Afaf.
Ya, Mr. Dennis kan.
Okay, I think so. So we have one formal style, 3, 2, 1. Okay, wait. Okay, that one. And then freestyle, you can use your own style. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, so everyone has their own. Okay. All right, so next we have a topic of the day. So
Oh
perhaps
yeah, topic of the day.
okay, come on. Just remember,
I forgot.
we
I
yesterday
really
we just
forgot.
have anniversary, please.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Who wants to read the topic of the day?
Okay, anyone?
If no one,
I would like to challenge Afaf, perhaps. Afaf, Altami's young sister, would you
yeah.
like to read? Or Azam? You wanna try one? Otherwise, probably Adam. Adam, you wanna try? I believe you can do.
I just read this, right?
All right.
Yeah, just
Okay.
read that.
Okay, topic of the day. Self-knowledge is one of the most valuable skills a person can develop. Yet it is often overlooked. Truly overlooked. Truly knowing yourself means understanding your strengths, weaknesses, values, and motivations. It allows you to make decisions that align with who you are and to set realistic goals. This process often involves reflection, honest self-assessments, and learning from life experience. In today's fast-paced world, distractions can make it easy to lose touch with your true self. Many people life according to expectations set by society, family, or peers without questioning if if those paths suit them. Taking time to explore your thoughts, feelings, and ambitions can help you live more authen- authentically authentically. When you understand yourself deeply, you are better equipped to face challenge and to build stronger, more meaningful relationships. Topic questions. How can self-reflection help you make decisions that truly match your values and long-term goals? Two, in what ways can external expectations prevent people from truly understanding who they are? Okay, that's it. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much for this. Perhaps others you have difficult to pronounce or others new vocabulary. Miss Gege, what do you think?
Yes,
Everything is good.
everything is okay.
Okay.
New vocabulary. Overlook.
Oh yeah, yeah, true. Overlook.
And then
Hmm. No one, no one, no one.
It's probably similar. Overlook is similar with underestimated or underrated.
Oh yeah.
Or
Yeah.
overlooks means always skip, like we ignore it. We don't
Oh.
realize it.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. But it's verb, right, Mr. Asep?
Sorry?
Yeah.
Verb.
Yes, verb.
Category of verb.
Yes, verb. Overlook.
Overlook.
Oh
Yeah.
my
No.
God.
It's passive.
Oh yes.
Oh iya.
Passive.
Just I just see.
Then
Fail to notice. Yeah, fail to notice. That's overlook.
first page in the second paragraph in one sentence.
I think it's
First page.
kecepatan ya sih?
Oh wait.
But
Today
first page.
First.
Yeah, it's sort of
page.
Modern gitu.
modern. So many
Pace kecepatan nggak sih?
many things that
Like
situation where
situation.
So fast.
many automatic machine, like people have lots of tools that help them to do like in their business and have more dynamic than before.
It's same idiom category saya.
Fast-paced world, well, it could be. Of course, in this context, it is adjective, but it comes from
Adjective.
I think the adjective comes from verb, right? Fast-paced.
Yeah.
It seems. I'm not sure if this. I don't think it's phrasal verb, but yeah, basically it's adjective, but comes from verb. Yeah. Like what
Sometimes we can meet in news. More
fast-paced
simple.
world.
I think that's all.
Yeah, enough.
Okay, so we next to the breakout rooms. The first
Okay.
reception, so perhaps.
Perhaps. We used to going to 4 rooms, yeah.
4 rooms.
Okay. Yeah, 4 rooms or like. Okay. All the rooms start from now. I wonder how.
Wonder why. Itu bang.
Oke deh.
Okay, then
Then
create a room.
section 2 ya.
Yep. Two room or 3 room?
2 room perhaps.
Okay, 2 room perhaps. Wait.
Any
Let
problems?
no. Let participant choose room. Option, yeah. After 15. Okay. For the first room
Is
is, I don't know. I think it will be Mr. Krishna. It's all about his presentation this night. And the second room, I don't know.
Please Adam or someone.
Okay, Nabil.
Gendeng.
I just kidding. Okay. I think Adam
Nah kan bener.
with all the real fans. Yeah, I think yeah. Okay, I'll open the room start from now.
Room tour.
Ayo, Miss Gigi mau kemana? Ayo.
Kemana nih?
Kemana yuk?
Oh,
Kanan apa
bisa
yang kiri?
memilih ya.
Cuma
Yang
2
mana
pilihan.
yang mana yang sedikit orangnya nih?
Iya, I just wait. Oke.
Wait.
Nah.
Just turun ya.
Iya.
Yeah, just the room.
Oh, how come Mr. Asep not in our?
Because like he's the host, so
Oh, I see.
we cannot choose apa namanya, masukin Mr. Acep ke
Oh,
room karena he's a host. But co-host and co-host he can.
okay deh. So just
Okay deh.
go to room 1.
Control from me.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
I, Captain.
I. Okay.
you have good prepare for IELTS school.
For IELTS, like I prepared like 3 years for 3 years this year's, yeah.
Wow.
For
Oh
just
my God.
senior high school.
Totally insane.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you know, my
Very.
color is like black. All is black, not red.
Oh my God.
Even yeah, for the Independence Day, it's still black.
Oh yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Please guide us.
No way.
Speechless
Interesting.
ya for Gen Z ya. Luar biasa.
Yeah.
Sih. Yeah, it's
Oh,
so
hello, Mr. Racha.
interesting.
But Atamis, just wondering. So, you are in grade what?
Last
Oh,
grade of senior high school.
Yeah, the first or the
Sorry?
second year? The first grade of senior high school or
Third,
the third?
the last one.
Oh, the final year.
Yeah, final
So
year.
you are almost finished, yeah? I mean this
Yes.
year. No, next year, yeah.
Next year.
All right. So okay. That's a good one just to know that. And yeah, because lately I just want to understand better of Z generation, and especially in your age, senior high school. So because yeah, lately I have cousins I mentioned earlier. So I think he got trouble because of current I know it's kind of sort of scene of crime,
oh,
kenakalan remaja,
Yeah.
like
Tawuran.
yeah, not exactly, but
Bullying.
he has been a victim. He's been a victim.
Oh.
But I think this is a sign that we, as a parents, family, we have to be aware of this kind of probably a sort of a new trend. Because if I look back to my young age, that time in senior high school, so yeah, that happens. I mean, kind of kenakalan remaja ya. Probably Yuslan wants to look up information how kenakalan remaja in English. It's sort of bad behavior of youngsters or youth, um, perhaps a misbehavior or something like that. So, but now because of technology, like digital things, so it's always been captured, like videoing how they fight each other using a sharp weapon. It's part of their pride, right?
Yeah.
And there is a certain Instagram account just focus on displaying those scene, right? And they probably don't really care about the safety because they don't really think long term, right? They don't think how they can become a leader in future, how they can make their parents happier, they can increase the quality of their family life, for instance. They just think present, right? Unfortunately, the environment probably affects that, and probably some people don't have choice to get a better option, right? So yeah, so as a relative, as his cousins, so I'm thinking hardly how to give a better suggestion or advice. I know that's in that age, it is a part of his life to find his what we call jati diri, yeah, his
identity.
identity. That's very good one, and but unfortunately, this might be affected by bad environment. So hard to change because multi factors causing this. But of course, I do believe there is a silver line to find the solution, right? So what do you think? So if you look at the social media, for instance, Brother Altamis, what is your view on that?
Actually,
Wow.
I'm homie's boy, sir. So I don't know all about that things.
So even there is no access, right, for that. Even your friend, for instance,
Yes.
or even you sometimes curious why this happened, and you try to search or explore on social media. But just
For
your personal view.
my personal feel like for like kenakalan remaja of like that ya.
Mhm.
I just want to know why they do that. Why they doing that?
That's interesting. Um, of course, I have to ask those who did this, but look, probably we can do some reflection because one of the topic of the day is reflection, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So please, back to our certain age. I mean, when we were in senior high school, the time where we were looking for identity, true identity, right?
Okay.
To me, because probably too much fear the time. So, I was studious person, and probably my energy was utilized for
Tadi.
the organization like joining OSIS or joining like scientific club, even joining English club. So I didn't have time to think about the things that we don't we that's not necessary unnecessarily to think, right? But if I look at my friends, for instance, they use their time for that, like having a nongkrong together, enjoying the adult, I mean teenagers moment, something like that. But tawuran, I mean, sort of like fighting didn't occur in my school. But when I was in junior high school, I really noticed that. So even in junior high school, when I was the first year, so my friends got like became a victim, and yeah, it's not too severe, but yeah, it's bloody. But that's kind of trauma to me. Even the first year of junior high school, that's kind of incidents happen, like sort of crime, right? So I don't know why they were looking for identity. They want to show up because they they brave, they strong, they can dominate others. It's kind of bad behaviors. So probably, what do you think as teenagers?
As teenagers, yeah, I think they are gabut, sir. Because like some of my friends tell, enaknya ngapain ya kita hari ini and then
Okay.
tawuran yuk, tawuran. Yeah, I don't know why the idea comes like to that kind of apa namanya activity. Why don't you still be apa
More
namanya
positive.
or more productive activity like study together or like
That's
exploring
that's brother
more.
Yuslan choice. That's brother Yuslan choice. But sometimes we have to understand what they're thinking, right?
Yeah.
Why
Yes.
they decided to take that option. Interesting discussion probably later on.
Yeah.
We can continue. Yeah, understanding teenagers thinking, especially the bad one, probably is part of new knowledge for me. Back to the house.
Oh yeah, the
Okay.
house, Mr. Islam.
I'm a host yo. So feel free just because our internal. So, okay. So that's all. That's the breakout room. So perhaps that the breakout rooms is finished. So I would like to know, perhaps anyone the first time? No, right?
No, 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 no.
No, 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 no.
No, no,
So
no, no, no.
first time this meeting. So perhaps that we can choose the next speaker. Oh my God.
Wait. Miss
The
Gigi is
probability to get
to be
too
the.
small.
Yeah, never mind.
Oh my goodness.
Just pray to God, I guess, ya. Okay, wait a sec. There it is. Is there? There.
Okay.
Oh,
Three,
the first one is speaker or moderator?
whatever. Speaker.
Speaker first, yeah. Okay. Who is the next speaker?
Alhamdulillah.
No. He can't. Yeah.
Yay! Congratulations, Brother Krishna.
Oh,
Wait.
moderator aja.
Wow. Ini apa nih?
Yeah, you can make
you
session two.
guys.
Session two.
Guys, I can, guys. Listen. I can because in Monday I have audit FSSC. Yeah, because I must prepare it.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah, I'm sorry I can. I can doing.
Maybe next week.
Next week.
Next week. As of
Next
next
week,
week,
yeah.
yeah.
Next week I can, yeah.
Great. Moderator
Okay.
next week, yeah.
Okay.
Moderator.
Moderator or speaker, sir?
Oh,
I don't know. Speaker perhaps would be great.
But moderator it's okay, right?
Okay.
No need
Wait a sec.
for preparation, right?
Moderator or speaker, sir? You can choose. Up to
Yeah,
you lah.
Brother Krishna, you can
Okay.
choose.
Yeah, for next week I can.
Next week. Next week.
Yeah, next week, yeah. For moderator or speaker, I can next week, yeah.
Moderator, you want to be the moderator or you want to be the speaker?
Either.
Moderator.
Don't give a choice, moderator.
For next week, I'm moderator, yeah.
I hope that
Sorry.
mispronunciation.
Sorry, Mr. Bayu, can you say again? Next week, okay to become a moderator. Next week,
No.
okay to become a speaker.
Oh yeah, for I'm sorry. For next week, I cannot
Next week
be
or next
moderator
week, sir?
or speaker. But for next week, yeah, I choose for moderator.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Got it.
Okay. So which is the
Brother Nabil.
wait. Which is the what? Moderator or speaker right now?
Oh,
Not that.
Speaker.
Yeah, the speaker. Yeah.
speaker.
Maybe I could be speaker.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Yusna.
So Brother Nabil is willing to become speaker, you said? Or
Yeah, speaker.
Brother Nabil, I mean?
Will. You want to
You
be
mean-
the speaker?
Yes.
Oh, Brother Yusan becomes moderator then next week.
Okay.
You saved my life.
Okay. So we end here.
Yeah, I think that's all that our
And just quick one, Miss Gege, probably if you okay to become host next week.
Okay.
All right then, good.
all right. So I think that's all our meeting tonight. So we got a lot of knowledge this night. So yeah, last but not least, thank you so much for coming. So wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you
Warahmatullahi
all.
wabarakatuh.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Thank you
everyone.
all.
Thank you
Thank you
all.
all.
Thank you, everyone.
All.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
all.
Bye. Thank you, Brother Yuslan. Thank you,
Thank you
Brother
so much.
Altamis. Thank you all.
For the apa namanya?
We have
Lawan-
extra session. We
Iya,
have a quick extra session. I think probably just 5 to 10 minutes from different
Iya.
Zoom meeting.
iya kan?
Yeah. Bye.
Oh, okay.
See you in other platform. I mean, in other account.